been gone for a while, but I am back with another nail tutorial. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use foil transfer. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, of course. And if you are back watching another video, thank you so much. All you're gonna need to achieve this look is your client. This is my client for the day. Your sticky bond and foil transfers, and of course your top coat. If you know me, you know I'm a sucker for matte, so I'm definitely going to be using a matte top coat. So start off just by removing the shine from the nail. Once you've removed all the dust from the nail, you just go in immediately with your sticky bond and yeah, just apply that. Make sure you get all the corners because you do not want to have like gaps in your foil. Once you've generously applied that sticky foil, all you have to do is cure this for about 40 seconds. I wouldn't recommend going over a minute because it's only going to dry out the sticky bond and it needs to still have like a tacky sticky layer on it. Anyway, these are the foil transfers that we are going to be using today. All I did here was just cut off the foil piece that I needed with the specific design on it, and I just place that right on top of the sticky bond and just start rubbing it in. Some people do prefer to use like what do you call this, a cuticle pusher or whatever, but just make sure that it really like gets in there. Right after that, I went in with my matte top coat, of course, and I cured that for about a minute. And this is how the design came. Just let me know what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much if you made it this far into this video.